Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to play your Steam games from your Android phone. And this is really easy using the Remote Play or Steam Link. So we can go up to Steam right here and go to Settings. And then go on down to where it says Remote Play right here. And just make sure it's enabled on the top right here. And it's very easy to get this set up on your Android phone now. So let's just go to this and open this up. And we want to go to the Google Play Store right here. And just open this up. And you can type in a bunch of different things like Steam Remote Play, but we want to get Steam Link. So L-I-N-K, Steam Link. And you don't even need to sign in. You just have to have your phone connected to the same network. If you're on the same Wi-Fi network, it will automatically detect it. So make sure you're on the same Wi-Fi network from the top here. Right here. Go to this and make sure it's the same one as your computer. And then just open this up. And you're going to see this is going to flip around now. And here's Steam Link. And you can just start playing and it should automatically detect your computer. And you can see my laptop is connected. Touch controller is good. So I can just hit start playing right now. And on your computer now, big picture mode is going to open up. And you're going to be forced to play. And we got all these different options on the screen now for, the on-screen controls. And this could work good. Or it could work bad depending on your internet connection. So to exit this, you need to go to your phone and just tap the screen now. And you can just return to the home screen. So I can just tap around it. You can see all the different on-screen controls. Got the Steam button to open up the side chat. And there doesn't really seem to be a way to exit. So we got the power button right here. We can stop streaming, stop game. So we can just go to stop streaming, stop game. Mostly, I just press on the screen right about here, and I go back just to hold the home screen on my phone, and that's how I exit it. So let me stop streaming. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.